Oke, selamat pagi semuanya. Hari ini kita akan mulai lagi pelajaran kita hari ini ya. Today I will explain about equation of the circle part 2. So, in this part we will uh, learn about the line and the circle ya. Kita akan belajar mengenai garis dan lingkaran ya. Especially for tangent line. Oke? Oke, kita akan segera mulai ya. First, I want to explain the position between the circle and the line. Okay. There are three positions of a circle and a line. First, intersect at 2 points. So I have a circle like this. Okay. And then the line intersect the circle at 2 points. The second, the line is tangent to the circle. Menyinggung ya. Jadi ini circle. Nah, ya tangent ya. And the third position, the line is not intersect and not tangent to the circle. So seperti ini jadinya. Oke. So kita ambil persamaan lingkaran di sini yang paling sederhana ya. So we take circle with the equation x square plus y square equal to r square. And let the line is y equal to mx plus n. Okay. So I want to find the point of intersect between the circle and the line. Okay, so I make a substitution. I replace y in the equation of the circle with mx plus n. So I will get x square plus mx plus n square equal to r square. Okay, and then I expand mx plus n square. Remember that a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, or x square plus m square x square plus 2mnx plus n square equal to r square. Okay, and then I have x square here and x square here, so I can factorize m square plus 1 times x square plus 2mnx plus n square minus r square. So we have the quadratic equation here. We have quadratic equation. Remember, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, in this equation, a is the coefficient of x square equal to m square plus 1, and b equal to 2mn, and c equal to n square minus r square. So, we can determine whether the line intersect the circle at 2 point or tangent to the circle or not intersect and not tangent to the circle from D. What is D? D is discriminant Jadi kita bisa mengetahui apakah garis itu memotong lingkaran di 2 titik ataukah menyinggung lingkaran, ataukah dia tidak memotong dan tidak menyinggung, itu berdasarkan nilai dari D-nya, diskriminannya ya. Remember that D equal to B square minus 4AC. Ya. D itu B kuadrat dikurangi 4AC. Ya. So, we get that B equal to 2mn square minus 4 times m square plus 1 times n square minus r square. Or we simplify, 2mn square is 4 m square n square minus 4 times m square n square, ya. We multiply one by one like this. Okay. M square n square minus m square r square plus n square minus r square. Okay. I repeat, m square n square minus m square times r square plus 1 times n square minus 1 times r square. Okay? Or simplify again, for m square n square minus 4 m square n square plus 4 m square r square minus 4 n square plus 4 r square. Okay, so we can cancel 4 m square n square here. So just left equal to 4 m square r square minus 4 n square plus 4 r square. So this is the value of discriminant. Yeah. Okay. If discriminant positive, then the line intersect circle at 2 points. If discriminant equal to 0, then the line tangent to the circle. Okay. And if discriminant less than 0, then the line is not intersect circle. Oke. Sampai di sini ya. Saya rasa cukup jelas. Kalau Anda ada pertanyaan, silahkan sampaikan pertanyaan Anda lewat komen ya di kolom komentar dan saya akan jawab nanti. Oke, mungkin mau ditulis dulu atau di screenshot dulu. Saya beri waktu sebentar. Oke. Saya naikkan lagi, silahkan. Kalau mau ditulis atau difoto. Oke. Okay, now I will continue about the tangent, yeah. We will focus if d equal to 0, okay? Uh, this one. Okay, we start number 1, yeah. Prove that the equation of tangent line to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square with slope m. Slope itu artinya gradient, ya. Jadi slope itu artinya gradient. Gradient. Okay. With slope m is y equal to mx plus minus r square root m square plus 1. Okay. So we let that the tangent line is y equal to mx plus n, ya, seperti yang sudah saya jelaskan sebelumnya. So dari hasil tadi, ya, kita bisa peroleh bahwa diskriminan, ya, itu equal to, sebentar saya ulangi lagi. Ini ya, 4m square r square, 4m square r square minus 4n square plus 4r square. Okay. Minus 4n square plus 4r square. Yeah. This line will tangent to the circle if discriminant equal to 0. Okay. Jadi di sini m-nya sudah diketahui, ya. M-nya sudah diketahui, so we must find the value of n. Ya, kita harus mencari nilai n, ya. Nah, mencari n bagaimana caranya? Yaitu dengan dari persamaan diskriminan sama dengan 0, ya. Okay. So, from this equation we can move 4n square to the right, so we get 4m square r square plus 4r square equal to 4n square. Yeah, and then we can factorize 4r square times m square plus 1 equal to 4n square. Okay, we can cancel 4, 4-nya bisa dicoret. So, n square equal to r square times m square plus 1. So, n equal to plus minus square root of r square times m square plus 1, or equal to plus minus r square root m square plus 1. So, the equation of the tangent is y equal to mx plus n. N is plus minus r square root of m square plus 1. So, proof, ya, terbukti. Oke, saya kasih kesempatan untuk menulis sebentar atau take a photo. Oke, ya, I will continue to number 2. Ya, I will continue to number 2. Prove that the equation of the circle, okay, x square plus y square equal to r square at the point x1, y1 is x1x plus y1y equal to r square. Okay. x1x plus y1y equal to r square. Oke. Gimana caranya? Gini. First, make a circle here. Circle with its center at origin 0, 0. Okay. This is X, this is Y. Okay. This is 0. And then I draw a tangent line here. And this is a point P, X1, Y1. Okay. And we can see that OP is radius R. Okay. So perpendicular to the tangent. This is tangent line. Okay. Now, X1, Y1, okay, lies on the circle. So this point must be satisfy the equation of the circle. So x1 square plus y1 square equal to r square. Okay. Now, I want to find the gradient of OP, MOP. Ya, gradient garis OP. So equal to y1 minus 0 over x1 minus 0 or equal to y1 over x1. This is the gradient of OP. Okay, but the tangent is perpendicular to OP. Ya, jadi garis singgungnya ini tegak lurus pada OP. So m of tangent line equal to minus 1 over m of OP. So equal to minus x1 over y1. Okay. Yeah. So the equation of tangent line is we can use the formula y minus y1 equal to m tangent line x minus x1. Okay. Or y minus y1 equal to m of tangent line is minus x1 over y1 times x minus x1. Ya. Untuk mempermudah, ya, kita kalikan dengan y1 semuanya. So we get y1y minus y1 square equal to minus x1x plus x1 square. Okay. Or I move minus x1x to the left and I move minus y1 square to the right. So we get x1x plus y1y equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Yeah. Or we have that x1 square plus y1 square equal to the r square. So we get x1x plus y1y equal to r square. So we have proof. Ya, sudah terbukti. Okay. So from the problem of number 1 and number 2, we can see that there is two categories of tangent line. Okay. First category is tangent line with the gradient is given. Ya, gradiennya sudah diketahui, sudah diberikan. Ya. And the second is equation of tangent line which the point of tangent is given. Jadi sekarang titiknya yang diberikan, ya. So I make the resume, ya. Oke. Okay, this is equation of the circle. Okay, this one is the tangent line of the circle with gradient m, and this column is tangent line at p x1 y1 on the circle. Okay, the first equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. So the tangent line, the formula of the tangent line with the gradient m is y equal to mx plus minus r square root m square plus 1. Sudah saya buktikan tadi ya. We have proof ya. Sudah dibuktikan. And the tangent line at point P x1 y1 on the circle is x1 x plus y1y equal to r square. Okay. The second is for circle x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Okay. So the tangent line, yeah, with the gradient m is y minus k equal to m x minus h plus minus r square root m square plus 1. And the tangent line at the point P x1 y1 is x1 minus h times x minus h plus y1 minus k times y minus k equal to r square. Okay. And the last is standard form of the circle. X square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the tangent line with the gradient m is y plus half b equal to m x plus half a plus minus r square root m square plus 1. But you must remember that r equal to square root 1 over 4 a square plus 1 over 4 b square minus c. You must remember. Okay. And the tangent at the point P x1 y1 on the circle is x1x plus y1y plus a over 2 times x plus x1 plus b over 2 times y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Yeah, I think you must memorize all of this formula, guys. Okay, I give you 1 minute to make a note, ya, membuat catatan. Okay, so we back to the modules. Okay, I have the problem like this. In number 3, find the intercept between the circle x square plus y square equal to 9 and the line y equal to x square root 3. Hence, find the equation of the tangent at the point of intercept. Yeah. So the first step, we must find the intercept. So we make a substitution. We replace y by x squared root 3. Okay. We get that x squared plus x square root 3 square equal to 9. Okay. Or x square plus 3x square equal to 9. 4x square equal to 9. And then x square equal to 9 over 4. Okay, so x equal to plus minus square root of 9 over 4 or plus minus 3 over 2. So the point of intercept is for x equal to 3 over 2, then y equal to x square root 3. So 3 over 2 square root 3. For x equal to minus 3 over 2, then y equal to minus 3 over 2 square root 3. So the point of intercept is 3 over 2, 3 over 2 square root 3, and 3 over 2, sorry, minus, ya, minus 3 over 2, minus 3 over 2 square root 3. Yeah, this is the point of intercept. Yeah, and then what should we do? We must find, yeah, the tangent at its point. Okay, so at 3 over 2, 3 over 2 square root 3. Yeah, the equation is we use formula x1x plus y1y equal to r square. Yeah, this is x1, this is y1. So we get that 3 over 2x plus 3 over 2 square root 3 y equal to r square. It's 9. Okay, so make easy, multiply by 2 over 3. So we get x plus square root 3y equal to 6. The second, add minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 square root 3. So the equation is minus 3 over 2x minus 3 over 2 square root 3y equal to 9. So multiply by minus 2 over 3. Yeah, we get x, okay, plus square root 3y equal to minus 6. Okay, that's the answer. Ya, itu jawabannya. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to make a note or take a photo. Okay, I will continue to number 4. Number 4, I think the same ya dengan nomor 3. So you can do number 4 as a homework. Okay. Yeah, find the intercept between a circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, and the line y minus x equal to 1. Hence, find the equation of the tangent at point of intercept. So we just need to change y equal to x plus 1 and then substitute here and here. Ya. Nah, selanjutnya nanti sama seperti ini caranya. Cuma sekarang nanti di equation-nya adalah standard form, ya. So you will use this formula, x1x plus y1y plus a over 2 times x plus x1 plus b over 2 y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Yeah, you will use this formula. Okay. Okay, we continue to number 5. Okay. Find the equation of the tangent of the circle x square plus y square equal to 8, which form the angle 135 degree with x axis, x positive, yeah. Hence, find the tangent point. Okay. First, we must find the gradient of the tangent, yeah. Since the tangent make an angle 135 with x-axis, yeah, so the gradient of the tangent is tan of 135, yeah. And we know that tan 135 is tan 180 minus 45, okay, or equal to minus tan 45. Or equal to minus 1. So the gradient is minus 1. Yeah. So in this problem, ya, kita itu sebenarnya disuruh apa? Mencari find the tangent to the circle, ya, with gradient minus 1 dengan gradient min 1, ya. So we can use the formula y equal to mx plus minus r square root m square plus 1. Okay, so substitute r equal to minus 1, y equal to minus x, plus minus r. So this is r square equal to 8, then r equal to square root 8 or 2 square root 2, okay? Plus minus 2 square root 2 times square root minus 1 square plus 1, okay? Or y equal to minus x plus minus 2 square root 2 times square root 2, or y equal to minus x plus minus 4. So we have two tangent, yeah, two equation of the tangent. First, y equal to minus x plus 4, and the second, y equal to minus x minus 4. Okay, and it's not finished yet because we must find the tangent point. Okay, so for the tangent y equal to minus x plus 4, substitute to the circle, yeah, the equation of the circle. So we replace y by minus x plus 4. We get that x square plus minus x plus 4 square equal to 8. Okay, or x square plus x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 8. 2x square minus 8x plus 8 equal to 0. So we can divide it by 2. We get x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So we can make a completing the square, x minus 2 square equal to 0. So x equal to. Okay. If x equal to, then y equal to minus x plus 4, minus 2 plus 4, or equal to. So the tangent point is 2, 2. Okay. And then for the second tangent line, ya, garis singgung kedua, for y equal to minus x minus 4, ya, we substitute to the circle, ya. So x square plus minus x minus 4 square equal to 8, okay? Or x square plus x square plus 8x plus 18 equal to 8, or 2x squared plus 8x plus 8 equal to 0, yeah, and then x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0, yeah, make the complete square, x plus 2 square equal to 0, and then x equal to minus 2. So y equal to minus x minus 4, so equal to minus 4 or minus 2. Okay, so the tangent point is minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, yeah. Oke, I think enough for today, ya. Cukup untuk hari ini. Ini for homework, ya. Oke, I give you one uh, uh, 1 minute to make a screenshot. Okay, yeah. This one for homework. Okay. Find the equation of the tangent line, ya, with slope. Ini artinya dengan gradien 1,5, ya. Berarti you use formula y plus half b equal to m x plus half a plus minus r square root of m square plus 1. Yeah, remember. Okay. Number 7 for homework. Ya, nah ini mencari persamaan garis tegak lurus, ya. Syaratnya tegak lurus itu apa? M1 equal to minus 1 over M2. Ya. Oke. Number 8 for homework. And number 9 for homework. Oke. Number 10 for homework. Oke. Nah, nanti sampai di situ dulu aja. Oke, for the homework, you can submit at Monday, ya, pada hari Senin nanti, ya. Before uh, before 3, ya, before 3, sebelum jam 3 sore, ya, you must submit. Oke, ya, kita akhiri sampai di sini, ya. Anda tetap jaga kesehatan, ya, tetap semangat, tetap kuat, ya. Sampai ketemu lagi di lain kesempatan. Oke, thank you guys. Bye bye.